Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning and decorating for Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite holidays because I like to eat. I like to be with my family and I like to eat. And I don't want to skip decorating because I have some really cute fall Thanksgiving decorations. And I don't just want to go straight to Christmas. I know a lot of people do, which is fine. Like, do what you want to do, you know, live your life. But I do not want to skip this holiday because I love it and I want to decorate for it. Y'all know I decorate for every holiday. So I have got one tote down here. Jack, you're being so good. It's this purple tote. So yeah, like my house is a mess. Obviously there's stuff everywhere. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean and decorate and I'm gonna get in the Thanksgiving spirit and then we can decorate for Christmas. All right, let's get started. Jack, say bye to everyone. You're such a sweet little helper.